What's your name?
Owen.
Owen, you sound out of breath.
They have to prove that they were a David when they turned up?
We did, yeah. We checked IDs, and yeah, then they came on through.
Hear my voice, hear that sound.
Classic FM music from the Blue Planet, the Green Planet, Planet Earth, and that most recent document.
Final. Now they're back, beating Nottingham Forest 4-1 over both games to bring them one step closer to the Europa League title. Hannah was there.
It was sort of...
You've got It is true. You've got £300,000 on its way to you, and it'll be in the account within the hour.
Sorry.
Can't stop watching.
People updated. We've got more results coming in from council elections.
We visited, about 40 different places across Britain in the run-up to these elections from focus groups. And what was so striking to me was that the message was the same in almost every group, whether it was people going green.
We'd have something, well, sort of whimsically, sort of nature-based. This is Frank Bridges' The Dew Fairy, and here's Stephen Huff at the piano.